everyone, Judy from Benjamin Stevens here. Just wanted to present you this beautiful apartment in central of Canary Wharf. The place is gorgeous, it's so spacious, bright, fully furnished. It's amazing. It's your new dream house. 2 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nice spacious reception room and a balcony, as you can see behind me. Fantastic views from every room overlooking the water and Canary Wharf. The location is awesome. It's literally 5 minutes walking distance to Underground station, which takes you 15 minutes to central London, Jubilee line, and it's ready to go. So if you wanted to spend your Christmas in such an amazing new home, then please give me a shout and I can arrange the viewing or give you more details.